Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. The owner of this new Nissan Maxima wanted something clean, functional, and something that sounded really good. So he chose to go with an Audison 5-channel amplifier, Audison DSP, full active setup, so the tweeters have their own channel, mid-bass drivers have their own channel, woofer has his own channel, it's all time aligned. But in the trunk, he wanted something that looked good, but also functional, so he can put stuff back there and not destroy it. I think we delivered on all counts. So maintain most of his trunk space. Remove the board. Show off the beautiful Audison voce 5.1K. And then just as easily, you can drop the board back in. Fits snugly. I think we did a good job. Got the angles just right. They look nice and factory. Mid-bass driver, factory location in the door, custom plates, and of course factory radio.